Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do a technique called stamping off. I did do one with stars, which I'm sure you might have watched, but this I'm going to do with daisies, just so that you can see the different effects using different designs. This is a regular card stamp. I'm working on 160 grams white card, and I've got some paste grain paper, which is paste grain paint. This is wallpaper paste that has acrylic paint mixed into it. And I'm going to use my sponge roller just simply to coat the whole surface. I'd like to do this as quickly as possible, get the paint on so it doesn't start sinking in the paper too quickly. The paste grain, which is the wallpaper paste, and the acrylic paint does allow you to take a little bit of time because it keeps the paint wet for longer. But it is so hot where I am that it is a very good possibility that I could have a very dry piece of paper in no time at all. It's probably about 34 degrees Celsius at the moment, which is whatever that is in Fahrenheit, but it's really hot. So I'm taking my little card stamp and I'm simply pressing into my wet paint. You need to be fairly firm, and between each impression that you're making, you need to just wipe off the excess. I normally just have a little damp cloth here, and this is just so that you're not building up a lot of paint on here that will actually not allow you to get this technique right. It's better to do this with darker colors, because a light color you're going to find it really difficult to see the design showing up. The designs are more exaggerated when the paint is dry, because at the moment you're getting a lot of light reflection because the paint is wet. So they do show up better, but I think the thing that I like the most about this is that the designs are very subtle. You know, you've got your color and you've got this design that's almost an impression or an illusion in the background, and it's not dominating the whole surface. Right, so just remember you've got to press quite firmly into the paint because you're trying to lift the paint up off the paper. And you'll see already in this corner where it's starting to dry how the design is getting more pronounced. Even here where we started earlier and you didn't see it that well. I love this technique. It's magical. It's a different way to use your card stamps, and a lovely way just to play with making your own papers and designs. I will show more in the thumbnail, so please have a look at those. Bye for now.